Good morning, dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. And today our discussion is about area. So first of all, we will define area. What is a area? Area is the amount of space covered by a surface. Area is the amount of a space covered by a surface. So next we can say that we can understand the area of a plane surface as the number of 1 centimeter square that can fill it up completely. So you can see it here. And next we say that try the following activity. So we have to try a activity to understand about area. First step, we have cut out a square of side 1 centimeter each, and in second step you place the square on the cover of notebook and trace its outline, and in next step move the square along one of the edges of the outlines and trace outline. So in last step you say that repeat the process to find out how many squares it takes to fill up the cover of the notebook completely. He said that for small surfaces such as the cover of a notebook or an envelope, area is measured in terms of a square of side 1 centimeter. So the area of this unit square is 1 square centimeter, written as centimeter square. And next we have units of length. We will convert 10 milliliters, or we can say that 10 milliliters is equal to 1 centimeter, and 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter, 10 meter is equal to 1 decimeter, 10 dam is equal to 1 hectometer, and 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. These are the units of lengths. And next we say that measuring of area using square paper. You can see here square paper. So he say that find the area of this shape, this given shape in square area. So first of all he say that the area of a plane figure can be measured by using graph paper. And next each square on the graph paper has a side measuring 1 centimeter in length. For example, the area of each square is equal to 1 centimeter square. In first step we say that to find the area of plane figure, the figure is first traced on tracing paper. We have a paper. First of all we will trace figure on the tracing paper, and next the tracing paper is then placed over the graph paper. We have a graph paper. Overall we have a graph paper. Now we will place here the shape, paper R, and next we have the graph paper covering as many whole square as possible. We have, see here we have a square type blocks in this graph paper. And in next step the total number of whole square gives the area in square centimeter. If the covers an exact number of full square, then it is easier to count the number of such square. The traced figure on the graph paper covers exactly 10 squares, so its area is 10 square centimeter. And in last step we say that if the figure whose area is determined cuts across the square, the following three steps are used to measure the area. First step is that the complete square enclosed within the figure are counted, and second step is that the square which have a part greater than half part enclosed within the figure are counted, and third step is that the square which have a part less than half part enclosed within the figure are ignored. The square that are exactly halved by the figure are then counted. To such half square would form a complete square, so half the number is taken. And last step we have that the number obtained in step 1, 2 and 4 are added to obtain the area of a figure. So you can find the area of these two figures on your notebook. And you can see here the steps. We have steps in figure 1 and in figure 2, and also finding these area of figure 1 and area of figure 2. We will add these two areas of both figures. So we have exercise number 14a. In exercise number 14a, we say that in question number 1, find the area in centimeter square of each of the following figure. If each square on a graph paper has length of 1 centimeter, so you can find the area of these parts, and first part, second part, third part, fourth part, and fifth part, and sixth part, and seventh part, and eighth part. So you can solve question number 1 in your notebook. In question number 1, as you know, he said that find the area, and area of a one block, mean area of a simple one block is 1 centimeter square, mean perimeter is 1 centimeter, and area of a whole block is 1 centimeter square. So you can find the area of a total shape in part 1 and 2 and so on. If you have any problem, you can discuss with me. Okay, Allah Hafiz.